are at 24 Bayside Ave in Te Atatū.
If you're looking for a wonderful starting point for your family or a quiet place to nestle in and enjoy, this home is one not to be missed.
This north-facing, low-maintenance home is private, sunny, and has amazing indoor-outdoor flow to a covered deck and flat garden.
All the practical boxes are ticked with extensive under-house storage, great off-street parking, including a carport, and an excellent location close to shops, schools, and the Peninsula coastline.
I'm David, this is Hannah. Let's go take a look.